Have you inherited a house that's in probate and you're not sure what to expect? I'm here to give you some insight on what probate is and what you can expect and why your home is in probate. Hi, I'm Mike Zahn with the Right Move team at AZ & Associates, and I've been selling real estate for almost 16 years now. This kind of thing can add stress to your life, so let's alleviate some of that. What is probate? It's a legal process that's required to sell a property that is in the deceased person's name. When you're in probate, the court gets involved at various levels depending on the situation. A person is assigned to administer the estate, which may very well be you if you're watching this video, and that person is called the personal representative, or PR for short. You can also expect there to be an estate attorney to help with this legal process, and just know that there are some substantial fees associated with completing a probate procedure. One of the biggest reasons an estate goes into probate, as far as real property goes, is the way title was held. The best thing to do to avoid going into probate occurs before the owner passes. By working with an estate attorney, you can avoid probate by putting your assets, including real property, such as a home, into a trust. A common misconception about probate is that people think a will keeps property out of probate. That is not true. The will does allow the deceased to determine such things as who receives what, as well as who will be the executor of the will. This is much better than trying to sell the property intestate or without a will. If there's not a will, the state determines the intestate succession. In other words, who will receive the property that's left behind. If you find yourself involved with a probate, there's many resources available to help direct and smooth the way. And we're equipped to help answer many of those questions, as well as to become your resource to connect you with other vendors and services you may need along the way. So continue to watch the other videos in my probate series for more detailed info and for free downloads on probate. Also, be sure to seek the advice of a lawyer or an attorney. They're not free, as I am not one. I'm just giving helpful information. I'm Mike Zahn with the Right Move team at AZ & Associates, and remember, we find people we like the home they love. See you in my next video.